In this video, we're going to be going over how to add pricing to your menu. So in my menu, I'm going to go over to the left sidebar and click on prices, and I'm going to drag it all the way up to the top above our shakes. And then as you can see, it pops up as 16 ounces at $4.99. I'm going to double click in there, and right now I have these three labels of 16 ounce, 24, and 32 ounce. And as you can see, only the 16 ounce is visible. If I added the 24, it shows. If I add the 32, it shows. But you can come in and let's just say you wanted to say all shakes are $4.99. Now you can come out and edit the colors. Let's make the label and the price black. And then I want to make the label a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go, let's actually make it a large. And then we'll make the pricing a little bigger. We'll make that a large as well. So right now you can't really see it that well. So I'm going to go to the background right below there. And I'll click on a solid background just so that we can see the label and the pricing a lot more clearly. And I'll make that, we'll just go with green for now. And there you go. That's how you add pricing to your menu.